Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by isolating secrets. Create a env local and put your API key there using React app my.kay. Once done, make sure git ignore includes env local so keys never reach the repo. You should also remove any leaked keys from history with git filter branch or BFG because environment files stop future leaks but don't erase past commits. You'll need local config for development and CI safe variables for deployment. This sets the foundation before changing any client code. You then shift privileged operations to a backend. Implement a small server or serverless function that stores the real API key as an environment variable. Once implemented, your React app calls that endpoint to request process data instead of embedding a key. Make sure to add authentication or API throttling on that backend so attackers can't abuse it. Also validate inputs and sanitize responses. This prevents leaking secrets indirectly and allows you to rotate keys without redeploying every client. You finish by ensuring secure delivery and practical rotation. Serve endpoints over HTTPS, issue short-lived tokens from your backend when necessary, and avoid storing raw keys in the browser. Once deployed, make sure CI/CD injects production env variables securely and that your React code reads only non-secret config. If something goes wrong, check core settings, confirm CI variables are set, and verify token expiry windows. These 3 checks resolve most connectivity or authorization failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.